We're Kathy and Scott, empty nesters turned adventure seekers. We've taken the leap into a brand new life by donating all of our belongings, keeping only what fits in 2 suitcases each, then saying goodbye to family and friends and boarding a plane out of Canada. And here, in the beautiful country of Costa Rica, the adventure continues. When we came to Costa Rica, it was almost a month ago. We rented a car for a month, thinking that that would give us some time to check places out and figure out what we were going to do, where we wanted to be, and then, you know, public transport and stuff. We'd have time to do that. Well, turns out we haven't had time to actually figure anything else out but driving around.
No, it's not that we haven't had time.
Yeah.
We like having a car.
Oh, well, we do. That's part of it. Yeah. We do often just like to get in the car and go off to wherever, right? Without any plan. Just that's a fun way for us to discover places. Yeah. Anyway, long story short, we are almost at the end of our month. So we are currently in Playa Langosta near Tamarindo on the Pacific coast, and we are going to head into Liberia today to hopefully renew the rental for another month or get a new one, or we'll see how it goes. Yeah. We've got a few days left on this contract, so we're not like very last minute, but kind of close.
But who knows, we might be hitchhiking back from Liberia.
We'll see what happens. But while we're there, we figured we might as well try to make an adventure out of it as well. So we're going to try to find a waterfall and go for a hike today.
What are the waterfalls called?
Well,
Llanas de Cortes?
Cataratas Llanas de Cortes. Cataratas, I think, means falls. Yeah.
Say it again.
Llanas de Cortes.
So I was right. Llanas de Cortes. Okay.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so that's what we're going to try to do. Hopefully we have something interesting to show you today. Driving through Tamarindo on our way out towards Liberia, and we happened to spot a market. It's Saturday right now. A market that looked quite interesting. I think we're going to have to make a point of trying to check that one out at some point. And now just going through Villarreal. Look at the leaves on the hood.
We parked under an almond tree. Success. We got a car for another month, our rental car.
Yeah, it went off without a hitch. It was just a couple minutes and we were in, we're out. So we have it for another month and we can continue our explorations.
Yep.
And it just started to rain. So we're heading towards the waterfall, Llanas de Cortes.
Llanas de Cortes. I like to say that.
You're awful. So we'll see. Maybe it will stop raining. Maybe it's not raining there. But whatever.
Yep.
We'll go for a walk anyway.
Yep.
And yep, it's raining more now. I predict that it will stop. Oh look, it stopped. No, I mean, when we get to where we're going, I think we'll have clear skies. Maybe wet ground, but clear skies. We'll see if I'm right. Okay, Scott likes how the reductor de velocidad sounds on the freeway. We're coming up to a crosswalk going across the highway.
So if you could hear that, I think it sounds like they're little rumble strips that are spaced apart, and as you get closer to the crosswalk, they get spaced closer and closer together. So it's the sound to me sounds like stop, 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 and then you hit the crosswalk.
Or the person on the crosswalk.
I'm watching.
Yeah.
The official entrance to Llanas de Cortes, and it was 4,000 colones per person, and we're just heading to the estacion, the parking area, which is apparently 1 kilometer in this direction.
Let's go. We made it to the bottom of the waterfall. It didn't rain on us at all. It's really beautiful here. Yeah. A nice easy walk down a gentle set of stairs.
Yeah, nice gradual stairs. They're well maintained, so no tripping hazard. And yeah, you can probably hear the waterfall in the background because it's pretty loud.
It's a powerful looking waterfall.
Actually, it's really refreshing and nice to sit down because you get the mist off the waterfall. It kind of feels like those patio misters.
Yeah. So we actually make this happen.
Yeah.
Yeah. No swimming, because they said the water is dirty right now. I think probably, I'm just guessing, because we're in rainy season, so maybe it would be worth coming back here in the dry season to have a little dip in the pool there at the bottom of the waterfall.
The water does look a bit on the muddy side, and the waterfalls look like they're at full pressure, and so that could be churning up some of the sediment and what have you. So yeah, like you said, if it's dry season, it'd be interesting to see if that changes the color of the water, and because we have seen images of Costa Rican waterfalls kind of bright blue. Yeah.
But this is still beautiful.
It is. It's really gorgeous. And the other thing that's really nice is there's not just the main waterfall, but there's 3 other
little mini ones.
Little mini ones that are kind of tucked into little alcoves, and it's really magical.
I fell in love with your colors. They kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tell tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us.
Okay. We're halfway up.
Nice easy walk
Okay.
on the way down.
She's not even out of breath.
Carry on.
Yeah, you need to show off. Okay, here we go. Whoops, almost fell because I can't do two things at once. Here we go. Ah, beautiful view. Actually, I'm moaning a little bit more about it than I should be. It's not that bad of a climb at all. But I'm still out of breath a little bit.
It's the unevenness of the steps, like a couple inches, 7 inches.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they do that to keep you on your toes. Get it? Now at the top of the stairs, there were some howler monkeys up in the trees. Let's see if we can catch them. Okay, yeah, maybe I'm a little bit out of shape. Just a little bit. Maybe they're gone. Let's see. Any of them? I think they're gone.
There's vendors here. Espresso?
This coffee coming from San Jose, from the highlands, the
Okay.
capital, 2,500-meter altitude. Yeah, it's the best place to
Good.
coffee plantation. For example, here in Guanacaste, never have a plantation for coffee. It's very low. The best position is the altitude.
High up.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know this machine?
No, we've
This-
seen it, but we haven't used
this
it.
machine is called a coffee maker traveling machine.
A traveling machine.
Yeah, when you go to the beaches, the mountain, you put in your luggage. It's a very light and it looks good in Costa Rica. Okay, you put this is the new filter, like this. Put the filter and the cup, and you make coffee everywhere.
There are vendors at the entrance to the stairs to go towards the waterfall, and we just had a little taste of coffee from Costa Rica Della Coffee. Anyway, I had it even without cream, and it was delicioso. So that's probably Italian, right? Italian?
No, I think that's Spanish.
Delicioso? Anyway, it was delicious.
Yeah.
So I bought me some.
And it's
And
organic.
it's organic.
Which is Kathy's favorite.
Yeah. So I'm a happy girl.
And a percentage, I can't remember how much, goes to saving wildlife.
Here in Costa Rica. So it's a good cause, and it's a good coffee.
There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
Okay, see you in a bit.
I actually hate that when
Yeah.
people say, see you in a minute. Okay, talk
I
to you
did do
later.
that, so I'm shaking my head.
No,
No.
We won't see them in a bit. Nope. They will see us in the next clip. Okay, let's go.